Most of you already have great style. You just have to do simple changes to make that style great. So today, I'm gonna show you the habits you should implement to do just that. Starting with number 1, dress to the gaze of the women around you. A lot of men, they'll dress based on what they think women want. But what women want changes based on their age. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to dress for the women around you. For girls between the ages of 16 and 22, studies from ResearchGate have shown they prefer men with softer features, more feminine traits that are closer to her age. This is commonly known as the pop star effect. Think about it, bro. Harry Styles, Justin Bieber, and all the girls that chase them. So if you're in that age bracket, I want you to grow out your hair and wear more oversized clothing that's softer, less professional, to attract women in your age group. Now, if the girls between the ages of 22 and 34, research has shown that they prefer men with more masculine traits that is also slightly older than them. So if you're in that age group, you'll do the complete opposite. I want you to have a short hairstyle that's closer to your face, as this is gonna make your face more angular. And then I want your clothing to be tailored and fitted so you can show your masculine physique. And just like that, with the clothing you have increased your fashion and your style to attract whatever woman is around you. That's what I'm trying to show you. And I have 6 more habits that I'm about to give you that's gonna amplify all the clothing you already own. Let's go to number 2. Look, most people, what do? They separate their clothing into 2 categories, clean and dirty. But the key to great style is to separate their clothing into 3 categories. Just think about it. This happens to me all the time, right? I get home from hanging out with my friends. You go and you put your clothing away, right? Your undershirt and your underwear, that goes into the dirty pile. Your jacket, it goes up on the rack. And then you look at your hoodie and your jeans, and you can't decide where to put them because you just washed them. And they're not that dirty to have another wash. But you also wore them outside, so they're not clean enough to put back into your closet. I've had this experience way too long, so I developed a strategy to help solve this while also improving my style. First, you can start by purchasing a cheap towel rack from Amazon or any department store. You can even use an extra chair you have laying around. Then, whenever you get home and you're stuck in that dilemma, I want you to place that clothing in that designated chair. Now, you won't have to wash your clothing as often anymore, which is not only a waste of money, but also damages your clothing every time you do so because it wears it down. So your clothes will look better for longer, keeping the quality intact. 3, wear unique accessories to make friends anywhere. If you know you're about to go meet new people or make new friends, you're going to want to use subtle peacocking to improve your fashion and create a talking point with every new person you meet. Peacocking is when a male or female animal tries to stand out in order to mate. And according to a study, it is deeply rooted in our biology. So for you to do it, it's easy. Start with a simple outfit, like a black shirt and black pants. Then you will incorporate a subtle form of peacocking through an accessory. For example, you can include a colorful bracelet that has some sort of historical context from a certain culture. You could wear a unique watch. Especially expensive ones will help you network with other men that recognize the brand. Or you could wear colorful or unusual or one-off sneakers that will stand out and again, will become a conversation starter. The key is to enhance simple outfits with a unique piece that others will notice, compliment you on, and become a conversation starter. Number 4, use clothing illusions to look taller. A lot of men still think that women only want men above 6 feet. This is wrong, because what most studies have proven, women just want men to be taller than they are. So I'm gonna show you how to strategically use optical illusions with your clothing to appear taller and improve your style at the same time. Step 1, wear your pants above the center line of your body. For example, look at what happens when I wear pants right at or below the center line of my body versus when I wear pants above the center line of my body. I immediately look taller, and that's because this method visually elongates my legs. So for you to do this, you can purchase high-rise pants or whatever pants you do have, make sure they always sit above your hip bone and then secure them in place with a belt so it never falls below that center line. Now, if you're really on the short side, like under 5'8", finding pants like this that meet your dimensions can be difficult. So I want to show you that this even works with short men. This is my friend Greg. My guy's 5'6", he's an absolute stud, and for him, I picked up clothes that's designed for shorter guys. For example, the pants you see him wear here are from a brand called Peter Manning. Everything's designed here in New York City, but the entire brand focuses on men that are under 5'9". So for example, these pants are made without seams that are around 35 inches, which is very hard to find in regular department stores. Now, for step number 2, you will want to wear horizontal stripes. Now, there is a common myth that wearing vertical stripes make you look taller because it makes the eye go up and down. This is wrong. This was disproven by Hermann von Helmholtz in 1926. I want you to start wearing shirts with stripes, but make sure that the stripes are horizontal. No matter how tall or short you are, it will give the illusion that your torso is longer. And again, I want to prove this concept not just on myself, but on my buddy Greg here. I also got him this shirt, this horizontal striped shirt from Peter Manning. The fit is impeccable, no tailoring whatsoever, straight from the rack, made for his body, and the illusion works here as well. And illusion number 3, you will want to avoid stacking and bagginess in your pants. Once again, look at what happens when I wear baggy pants as opposed to pants that are tailored for my leg. The baggy pants create visual bulkiness, disrupting the natural proportions of my body. This messes with the actual length of my leg. Therefore, if you want to give the illusion that you're taller, always opt for pants that are better fitted. Again, look at my guy Greg. He looks amazing, and you can too. If you're a guy that's under 5'10", stop buying at regular department stores and buy at department stores that make clothing specifically for your body type. And I promise you, you're gonna look amazing. And if you guys wanna check out Peter Manning, I'm gonna have it linked down below with the pieces you saw Greg wear. Plus, I'll also put a discount code that's a limited time offer. That way you can try clothing that actually fits you. 5, dress for your specific skin tone. Understanding your skin tone is crucial for improving your style, but the hard part is knowing what your skin tone even is. I'm gonna show you how to find it with science. During a study, researchers pulled together images of 12 white women with different skin tones, ranging from pale all the way to tan. The researchers then gathered 160 individual participants and asked them to change the color of the shirt each woman was wearing using Photoshop. Then they were asked to rate their perceived level of attractiveness. What they found is that cold colors such as green and blue were seen far more attractive on women with lighter skin, and warm colors such as red and yellow were seen much more attractive on women with darker skin. So to maximize your style and attractiveness, this is how you dress to your skin tone. You will find your skin tone using the white cloth test. Start by grabbing a piece of white fabric like a bed sheet or a towel. Then you will hold that fabric against your face, look at yourself in the mirror, and try to determine if your skin looks more yellow or more pink. If it appears pink, then your skin has a cold undertone. Colors like blue and green will make you more attractive. But if your skin appears yellow, then that means you have a warm undertone. Colors like yellow and red will make you look amazing. At this point, you are now dressing based on the female gaze. You have improved the quality of your clothing by creating a semi-clean stack. You are using a subtle form of peacocking to create new relationships. You are using visual elongators to make yourself look taller. And now understand your skin undertone to optimize the colors that you wear to look more attractive. Just with those habits, your outfits will already be 10 times better. But I still have 2 more that will make you the best dressed guy she's ever met. Number 6, surround yourself with stylish men. Fashion and style is set by the most popular people around us. So here's how you're gonna find and then copy the style of those most popular people that are creating the best fashion. Now, to do this, find the most popular people in your area. It is better if you choose local artists to your country. And you can take it a step further and only choose artists within your age demographic, as they will be the strongest influence to new fashion trends. And if you're unaware of who that person might be, go to a website called Pop Vortex and then filter the top 100 songs by your country. Look at the artists, follow them on social media, and use what they wear as inspiration for your outfit. Number 7, use texture with monochromatic clothing. A simple all white or all black outfit will make you look better, but there's a way to take this and make it better with texture, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. For the first level, start by wearing an all black outfit, and as you add new black pieces to your fit, make sure they're different shades of faded black to add depth and interest to your fit. For level 2, you can do the same, but now you'll be forced to add an accessory. It could be a baseball cap or a crossbody bag. And for level 3, you can then add more texture by adding jewelry like a favorite necklace or a nice watch, especially matches your skin tone. The beauty here is that you don't have to buy new clothing that's full of texture. You can add texture through the layers of accessories that you add. And if you start implementing these style habits, I promise you, every outfit you put will make you feel confident and will make you better dressed than all the guys around you. See you boys next time.